Hello and welcome to Tech. I am Mohammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to use multiple tooltips in Power BI. Yes, it is possible. We can do and we can add multiple tooltips. So before going into the demo, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button. I need a lot of subscription from your side. Now let's get started. So here is my Power BI file. If I have this matrix table. If I just scroll here, the gender, which is male or female, then this gives me the list of a tooltip, list of children's by gender, right? If I just scroll down to this one, that is whether they are single or married, then it is giving me different tooltip. This is looks good, right? If I click on this one, it's giving me the same. And if I go back again to this gender, then it is giving me a different tooltip. So I have used the two different tooltips here. So let's walk through one by one. So basically what I did here is I just added a tooltip. I have made a separate video on how to add the tooltip in Power BI. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link given on top of your screen. So coming back here and the tooltip option, I'm just adding it here in this tooltip option, the tooltip area, the gender name for the sheet name, which is children's by gender. I added one more tooltip here. I just changed the color here just to differentiate between these two tooltips. So this is children's by marital status, right? If I go back to this one, the tooltip area, it's showing as marital status, right? So two different tooltips are there which you can use. And if I go back to this main sheet, which is the sales one, and here on this visual, first of all, I need to enable this tooltip option. So it is available on the general, it's on the tooltip. Now here, one thing I want to highlight here, if you enable this one, then you will get these options. The type is report type or default. So you need to change this to report page, and the page here by default it will be auto. It will give you the list of available tooltip, but make sure you select auto here because then only Power BI can able to decide which tooltip has to show based on the data, right? So if you select any of this one, then it will be a static tooltip, so it has to be auto here. Now if I move this here now, if I just click on the first one, just mouse over here, it's giving me the green color one, which is by children's by gender tooltip. And if I go back down here, then this is giving me children's by marital status, which is another tooltip here. So this is how you can able to add multiple tooltips based on the data, and based on your needs, you can customize your tooltip accordingly. So if you like this logic, if you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.